Heating and cooling account for about 50% of the final energy demand in buildings, which prompts the question, how could we regulate our skin temperature without using energy? Phase-changing materials transmit both cooling and warming sensations. These properties can help regulate our skin temperature. In a hot environment, the material melts and feels cold as it absorbs heat during the process. In a cold environment, it solidifies again and releases the stored heat, causing a feeling of warmth. This process is infinitely reversible. These qualities can be transferred to fabrics by impregnation so that the clothes work as a second regulating skin. By using this technology, we can become less dependent on heaters and air conditioners, therefore reducing our energy consumption indoors.